All right, you guys, this is not your average vacation rental. We just arrived at this massive 10-bedroom vacation home here in Orlando, and I cannot wait to show you around. If you've ever wondered what it's like to stay in a place this big with your family or a group of friends, stick around because we're giving you a full, unfiltered walkthrough.
We have arrived. So, about 9 hours later, we have made it officially to our Villatel. We are pretty excited. We get to check in a few minutes. Check-in's at 4, and I'm going to give you guys a tour. Here we go. Into the Villatel. Girls, what do you think? Hey. Oh my goodness. All right. Bedroom number 1. Gorgeous.
This house has room for over 20 guests, a private pool, game rooms, and even some Disney-themed surprises. So whether you're planning a family reunion, a multi-family trip, or just dreaming of your next Orlando getaway, let's see if this vacation home is worth the hype.
Movie room. Oh my. Look at how cool is this. I can't even believe it. What? This is amazing. Are you seeing this? Each of these recline. Oh my. Here we go. That's the stairs upstairs, but we're gonna go through the downstairs first. So beautiful art. Here we go. Here's another little bedroom. Each bedroom looks like they've got a TV in it, their own ensuite bathroom. How beautiful. Oh. Okay, to the kitchen. Let's check it out, y'all. Oh my. How gorgeous is this? I don't know. We're going to have to pick our rooms. How are we going to pick? Refrigerator 1, refrigerator 2. Okay, I'm heading that way. Beautiful dining area. Look at this, you guys. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Okay, seriously, this is crazy. This is so cool. What is this way? It's another bedroom. All right, let's come in. This is a double. This looks cute, actually. This would be cozy for little kids. Beautiful. This one does not have an ensuite bathroom, so let's go this way and check what we got over here. Oh my, strobe lights, game room. We got Pac-Man Pixel Bash, basketball, and a Batman game. So awesome. And this looks like it goes to, oh, here's the bathroom here. So the bathroom is off of the game room. Are you guys loving this? This is absolutely crazy. Okay. Look at this place. Boo. All right, let's check it out. Here's a little hall bath. And let's see. There is no handle on this door, so I cannot get out to see the pool yet. Maybe I can. Okay, it is missing. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. There's no handle on that door. All right, let's check out the upstairs. I'm so excited. This house is fantastic. Here we go upstairs to just kind of see what all the upstairs has in store for us. You guys ready? If you're ever looking for a large family place to stay, Villatel is where it's at, okay? I just came up the stairs. Let me show you my view. Oh my goodness. We've got more games. So this is like a second game room. So we've got a huge foosball table, pool table room, jungle gym inside the house. Perfect for little ones. Arlo's gonna test it out for us. How's that, girl? Wall Scrabble. Never played Wall Scrabble before, but maybe we'll try it out this trip. All right, this is going into the themed room number 1.
There's 2 themed rooms.
If you have a Frozen lover on your hands, Anna and Elsa, this is why this house is so coveted. We already have someone moved in already, threw their loveys down. But look at this.
There's lights.
We've got Olaf on the wall. Looks like games. Show me the lights, Arlo. Oh, cool. A strip of lights along the bed. Okay, Ez, show me what you got. Anna and Elsa skating. What is this? Is this where you can sing Let It Go from right here, this balcony? Let it go.
Look at this.
Don't climb over the top. Go through the right way.
I want to go up.
You guys just have to watch your head for those icicles. Can you sing Let It Go with Elsa? Let it go, let it go. Oh my. There is actually a little karaoke machine here, so we'll have to check that out.
Mom, there's 2 bunk beds. Can I turn on the TV?
Beautiful room.
Mommy.
The sky is even
Wait,
painted.
we have a TV.
Yeah, you do.
So you can watch in the middle of the night. I don't think
All right, this is so cute.
Mom, we can sleep. We have both bunk beds so we can both sleep.
Okay, be careful. All right, we're gonna go out of this room. Double closet, 4 beds, 2 bunks. This looks like a little linen closet here. Looks like a bathroom for the kids' room and the arcade area. All the bathrooms actually look really nice. The walls are tiled nice. I'm coming. Show me the next theme room. Coming around here. Here's theme room number 2. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? This one actually has a slide in it. So this is a single bunk. Go ahead and go down the slide. Let me see how it works. Wow.
Bed up there. It's not
Look at the paint on this wall.
single bunk.
Oh my.
There's a bunk up there.
Yep, it's a single bunk though. You guys have double bunks in your room. There's 4 beds. And then this one has its own little walk-in closet.
Lily's gonna sleep up top. Yeah, Lily wants to sleep up top.
Lily and Lana are gonna sleep in this room? Okay. So a little walk-in closet also has its own bathroom here. Hey again.
Room bathroom.
You guys have a hall bath.
Eek. Hello, anyone want to come in my house?
Pineapple.
Anyone want to come in my house?
Yeah, pineapple house. Who lives in the pineapple? All right. Hello. We got to check out that room. Wow. Very pretty. Double closets. Mirrors everywhere. So it looks like all the bathrooms come with a set of like face soap, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. We did bring some of our own full size only because we're driving, but if you are flying in, then just know that you have that available. There's also towels, bath towels, and let's see, we got empty drawers here. A roll of toilet paper, a hair dryer, and a diffuser. So there's an extra roll, it looks like, in every bathroom. And I didn't check to see if there was a hair dryer in every bathroom, but I can go back and look through some of them and let you guys know in case you are flying in and don't want to carry all the excess stuff. Look at that. We'll take you on later, huh? How fun. All right, we got to do the other half of the upstairs. Let's check out this room here. Okay, you guys. Beautiful again. Just, I love it. Look at these curtains. Floor to ceiling, curtains across the whole wall. This is definitely just like a regular, your normal neighborhood. Here's their bathroom, double sinks. That's the first bathroom I think I've seen with double sinks. Beautiful shower, huge walk-in closet. If you're bringing an infant and you don't want him out of the room with you, you can always throw them in the walk-in closet, which is actually where our son sleeps right now. He's 8 months old. He sleeps in our closet at home. It's unfinished. There's another bedroom. Oh yeah, I meant to check to see if they had a hairdryer in each one. So let's see. Yep, there's a hairdryer and a diffuser, an extra roll of toilet paper, your standard toiletries again, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and a face soap. You've got just a few towels in each one. So if that gives you a better idea of what you need to pack, hopefully that helps. Here's 2 bedrooms. Or sorry, 2 beds in this bedroom. I've lost count of how many bedrooms this is right now. The movie theater's downstairs. Go down. It's like under me right now.
Where do you want to be? Are we good to
Yeah, move stuff in. Yeah.
downstairs?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
And then just let us know where you want.
It's the only one I don't have. Okay, last bedroom.
Kelly and Jordan.
Kelly and Joran's room. Hey,
Hi.
happy vacay. In the bathroom. This is it, you guys. Last bedroom on the list. Let's unpack and unload.
And that's a wrap on our full walkthrough of this incredible 10-bedroom vacation home here in Orlando. Hopefully this gave you a great idea of what to expect if you're thinking about booking a place like this for your next trip. But of course, no vacation rental is perfect, and in my next video, I'm giving you my completely honest review of our stay here at Villatel. I'm going to be sharing all the pros and cons and the things I wish I had known before booking. So if you want to see that, and trust me, you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.